everyone, it's a pleasure to welcome you back for another episode on our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a topic of vital importance to every business: product marketing trends for the year ahead. Whether you're a retailer, a manufacturer, or a marketing professional, staying on top of these trends is vital to maintaining your competitive edge. We're going to take a look at this topic from three angles: technological innovation, content strategy, and social media marketing. And to make it even more tangible, I'm going to enrich my discussions with concrete examples. In our previous video, we discussed technological innovation. And now, let's dive into content strategy. You've probably heard the expression, "content is king," a truth that persists even in 2003. That's because quality content not only attracts and holds consumers' attention, it also builds trust and authority for your brand, creating a strong relationship with your customers. Here are 5 current trends in content strategy. Personalized content marketing. Increasingly, consumers are adapting to having content personalized for them. Using this collected data to understand consumer interest and behavior will help you create content that responds directly to their needs and desires. Let's take Patagonia, the outdoor clothing brand, as an example. Knowing their sustainability-minded audience, Patagonia creates content highlighting their green initiatives. For example, they've produced a series of mini documentaries featuring people using their products in natural environments while caring about their ecological footprint. The benefit: to increase customer engagement and loyalty by creating a more relevant and personalized experience. User-generated content. User-generated content such as reviews and product photos shared by customers is a growing trend. Encourage your customers to share their experience with your products. Incentivize them with discounts or the chance to be featured on your site or social media. GoPro, the action camera brand, is an excellent example of a company that leverages user-generated content. They actively encourage their customers to share photos and videos captured with their cameras on social networks using the brand's official hashtag. In return, GoPro regularly selects and shares their customers' content on their own social media platform and website. This creates powerful social proof. Because users see other customers' real-life experiences with GoPro products. This increases trust in the brand and encourages sales. The benefit: providing social proof that will increase trust in your products and encourage sales. Storytelling. Stories are a powerful way of connecting with consumers on an emotional level. Integrate storytelling into a content strategy by sharing stories about how your products were created or how they help your customers. Every brand has a unique story to tell. It's just a matter of finding the right angle and the right element to captivate your audience and create a lasting bond with them. Dove, the body care brand, is renowned for its powerful use of storytelling in its communications. They share moving stories highlighting diversity, self-esteem, and self-acceptance. For example, Dove launched a campaign entitled Real Beauty, which features women of all backgrounds and ages celebrating authentic beauty. They told the inspiring stories of these women, highlighting their career paths, successes, and professional challenges. The benefit: an emotional connection with consumers that will strengthen brand loyalty. Video. Video continues to be a very popular way to consume content. Incorporate more video into your content strategy, whether in the form of product tutorials, live demonstrations on social media, or customer testimonials. Red Bull, the energy drink brand, is known for its mastery of video in its content strategy. It creates captivating videos featuring extreme sports, spectacular events, and inspiring stories linked to adrenaline and adventure. For example, Red Bull has produced a series of documentary videos entitled Red Bull Stratos, or The Art of Flight, highlighting daring feats and extraordinary performances. These videos transport viewers into incredible worlds and provide unique, thrilling experiences. The advantage: captivate the audience, arouse emotion, and create memorable experiences that strengthen viewers' engagement with your brand. SEO, search engine optimization, remains essential to ensure that your content is found by consumers. Integrate relevant keywords, create high-quality content that meets users' needs, and make sure your site is technically optimized for SEO. Etsy, the online sales platform focused on handmade and vintage products, has successfully leveraged SEO to increase the visibility of its content. They optimize their website and product pages with relevant keywords and detailed descriptions, enabling them to rank even higher in search results for unique and handcrafted products. The benefit: increasing the visibility of your content in search results, which leads to more traffic and sales. In summary, we've discussed content strategies and their impact on product marketing in 2023. Staying up to date with these trends will not only help you maintain your competitiveness, but also effectively optimize your marketing initiative. Keep in mind that your environment is changing at a breakneck pace. Don't be afraid to ignore, because that's where the real enchantment of marketing lies. If you need any support, don't forget that we're always here for you. I hope you found this video informative. If so, I encourage you to share it and leave your thoughts in the comments section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you soon.